When we talk about dribble, it's really important to understand when to dribble and when not. You want to dribble if there is a space. In order to see the space, you need a good body profile and you need to keep your head up. The action of the dribble starts with your first touch. The first touch to the right direction, to the right space. This first touch has to be a long touch where you change the speed and you tag the space. That's the first step in order to start dribbling. Then, if the space is big, you want to dribble with your body straight to make sure that you are gonna dribble fast and using long touches. Because you have a space, this is gonna help you to dribble faster. Then, if you don't have a space, it's really important that you keep your body low. Low center of gravity. Why? Because if you don't have a space, probably it's because there is pressure. In order to beat the pressure, you need to switch the direction. And the best way to switch directions of your dribbling is keeping your body low.